But I believe that soon the issue will be resolved as the court cases have come to an end. They are at the tail end right now.
So beyond the legalese, to a woman who is expectant and needs to deliver and is at the doorstep of War Memorial Hospital, they'll be told there's a matter in court, so you can deliver in the bush? Or what's the situation on the ground?
Chair, I'm sure you are aware that there are other hospitals in Nakuru County. As a responsible...
I'm talking about that woman who perhaps lives just next to it.
Annex Hospital and PGH are next door to it. They share a wall, actually. So as a responsible governor who has to take care or is charged with taking care of the public land, I would not feel comfortable just allowing them to continue on fraudulent grounds, which actually they are in court on criminal cases, and just continue because on the flip side, we will say, where will this woman go to? This woman has other options. And because they were leasing it, previously it was a lease from the national government for the 99 years, and the 99 years elapsed. So if you don't have another lease, then go lease another property and continue with the hospital. But okay, you cannot just take public land and continue with it as though there is no crime that has been committed.
So members, legalese versus lives, legalese versus livelihoods.
What is astonishing to me is that even from the legal perspective, if you look at the court order from the Court of Appeal at Nakuru, it's a consent order. A consent order by parties. I think, if I remember my law correctly, is that you cannot even appeal it. You cannot appeal a consent order, an order that is issued by consent of the parties. And if you look at the terms of the order, at paragraph 2 there, it is at page 368, Chair. The hospital shall be opened immediately under the joint management of 2 persons nominated by the applicant and 2 persons nominated by the first and second respondents. At paragraph 3, the court repeats itself that the 5 members shall immediately open the hospital with proper management and control over all issues relating to the hospital. This order is from 1st of October 2024, Governor. Doesn't your legal team know what to do when people violate consent orders? What have you done about... if there is a court order that was very clear in its terms, you can't just say that the parties refused and then you roll over and then run to the Senate. That's not possible. There are legal implications of parties who violate court orders. So what have you done to address that as an entity from October of 2024 is what I want to know.
Governor?
Yeah, may I respond to that?
Yes.
As I said, and as you have seen the attached appendix here, we did the appointments, and the same people who are in court claiming that there is an urgency in reopening the hospital refused to proceed with the appointed committee.
That's clear.
So we have asked our county attorney to go back to court for contempt. But you also cannot come and say that you need the hospital opened today and then refuse to do what the Court of Appeals has said.
Governor, those other parties are not here. And the chair's concern is that woman who lives next to the hospital who needs to use that hospital. If we have agreed that the hospital is going to be opened immediately, from October of 2024, we are now in July of 2026.
Yes.
Governor, you can't sit there and tell us that today is when you have instructed your council to go back. When did these people violate this court order?
Since then, they were called by my people to come and open the hospital, and they declined. They said they will not participate.
Our concern is not what they have done or not done. What have you as a government done? Because you should have gone to court immediately the same day and told the court that these people are in contempt of.
We are not the ones with the urgency to open. It is them. So if they do not want to open together with the county...
Governor,
you will get into a lot of problems.
Governor, please just calm down, because that's a dangerous... It's a dangerous statement.
By the way, I'm completely calm down. You haven't seen me up.
Governor, we've seen you when you are calm. You are not calm. So please...
You're trying to put words in my mouth.
No, the chair is
I'm trying to help you, Governor.
No, don't help me.
I'm trying to help you. I have the prerogative as a chair to guide this meeting. There is no responsible county governor that can say that they have no agency to open a health facility. That cannot be something... No, order, Governor. Order. You're telling me not to help you, now you want to respond. Do you want to say those condescending remarks on record?
Yes.
You are saying the chair is condescending? Honestly?
Yeah, I mean, when you
You
say I want
cannot,
to help,
you
it's in a
cannot
consenting
cast
manner.
aspersions on the chair.
Okay, sorry,
You have
yeah.
been a speaker and a member of the House.
No, Chairman.
I have desired, honorable members, I know these tricks.
Which
When issues are heavy, people resort to side shows so that we terminate the meeting. This meeting is not terminating. This meeting shall continue. Whether the client is hostile or not, we shall continue. So, Senator Sifuna, please proceed.
You know, Chair, the question was very straightforward, Governor. If we go to court with you and the court says you guys go and do this, if the other party doesn't do that, and you're being let down by your legal team, they know what to do, unless there is something that you are not telling us. Because I had somebody introduce themselves there as a county solicitor.
Yes.
You have in-house legal help. You have a court order for the people of Nakuru. Why is it not possible for you to go back to the court and say, these guys are in contempt of court? Is there a story that you don't want us to know?
Now, members, let's get the interjection so that, because I do not want an exchange between the governor and my committee, let the governor take note of the questions